You alright guys, how are we all doing? It's Andy here from Peninsula Painting Projects and welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we're going to unbox the Warhammer 40k Space Marines Heroes. Now as you can see, the packaging's not being opened at all, so it's going to be a complete and utter blind unboxing, which that's the purpose of these anyway, isn't it? We never know what we're going to get. And hopefully I get the Space Marine captain, this one here. He's as you can just see the silhouette there. He's got a power sword and a plasma pistol thing, and he's got a nice beautiful cape, an iron halo as well, I think. Now, to be honest with you guys, I wouldn't mind, obviously I want him, and that's the main goal, that's the main objective. But the other ones, I wouldn't mind getting the other ones. There's a guy here with a bolt gun reading some information off his arm. There's a guy wielding a bolt pistol and a bolt gun. There's a guy wielding a plasma gun, a grenade thrower, a Space Marine running forward with his bolt gun as well, rocket launcher, and another captain, and the generic guy there, which I don't want to get 12 of them guys, so that would be an absolutely devastating moment. So, if you want to see these being painted up in the future, any progress updates or anything like that, come and join my Facebook group. It's Peninsula Hobby and Chill, and not only don't just join it just to communicate with me, come and communicate with the other members. I'm trying to build up a community here, guys, and we've got some great members on there, you know, giving us updates on what they're painting, what army building they're doing, asking advice on, you know, what things to include in an army. So it's a group, a collective, a group effort here. So I'd love to have you join. So guys, enough chatting, enough rambling. Let's turn this video around and let's see what's in the literal box. Nice one, guys. Try. Alright then guys, let's get this box unboxed. Let's get the cellophane off it, because the glare from the light is bouncing back and giving us a bit of feedback there. So let me just rip this off. So as you can see, it was sealed. There's nothing going on, untowards going on here. And as you can see, this lovely battle mat here from Game Materium. That's it. You know what? I'm not going to use this box then, so we can rip it all out. Let's get all these boys out onto the table. So, where shall we start? So I tell you what, we'll put them to one side like that, and we'll open it up. So, if I get duplicates of these, I may sell them on if people are interested. That's only if they're interested. If not, I'm going to be buggered, but it's a good job of collecting multiple Space Marine armies. So, Brother Prometheus. So he looks like a nice one, doesn't he? Let's see what he comes with. Oh, he's got the plasma gun, which he's one that I did want to get. So that is fairly good. I'm happy with that one. We've got, what, 11 more to go. Let's go through the rest of them. So I'll pop him at the top there, so we can have a little run in. See what we got there. Let's open this next one, guys. So has any of you guys bought any of these? I'm quite interested. I know some of my customers have, and you know, customers / friends have done the same. But I'm interested whether you guys have done the same. Right, I don't want to reveal the whole thing. I want to try and reveal it as one. Ooh, Brother Vanille. So that's another one that's not a duplicate. That's pretty cool. And he comes with, oh, he's the grenade thrower. Can you see that? Hope the lighting's good enough for you guys. And he comes with 2 different heads. So he comes with a bear head and a helmet as well. So, oh, and there's his gun holster there as well, guys. If you want to check that out, nice little base there. So that's that one. Next one we're going to look at. Hopefully this video is not too long, guys. Flip it over so we can see the picture first. Get the picture out as well. Ooh, Brother Garrus. So again, that's a completely different one. So it's looking pretty good up to now, isn't it, guys? And he's the dual wielding bolt gun and bolt pistol. Oh yeah, you get 2 helmets of this. So we've got a screaming head there and a helmet with like a target on there. So that's pretty nice, isn't it? Bases looking pretty scenic. I like that one. So I'm pretty happy with this up to now, guys. Now, a lot of people have been cynical of this and said, do you get multiples? I bet you there's no captains in this. So hopefully we'll find out later by the end of the video whether there are any captains with this. Flip it over. Now, I think I will be putting these in with my Ultramarines. Brother Gainus. Oh, so he's a different one. Gainan. I can never pronounce these names, guys, because it's completely made up names, aren't they? Whoever makes these names up, you need to help a brother out. So he is the normal bulk gun guy. And that's a nice base, that. Can you see that, guys? That's a very nice base. Now, I won't be speed painting these. Now, he's got a shouting head, which looks similar to the previous one. Are they similar? They look pretty similar, well, sort of. That's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. I like the base on that one anyway. So how many we got left now? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 left. So there's rumours as well that there's numbers on the side of the box, and they determine as well, the lower the number, the more likely you are to get you know, the proper one. Brother Caster, no, we haven't got him either. Hey, this is pretty good, hasn't it, guys? What does he come with? He's got a bolter as well. That's interesting. Oh, so he's got a bolter. So is there 2 of these with bolters in this set? There's a running guy with a bolter, so he's the standy guy with the bolter. Okay, the other one must be the running guy. But yeah, 2 helmets again, guys. So if you're one of those weird people that has to put helmets on all of your miniatures because it's more realistic, even though this is 40,000 years into the millennium, yeah, that's a bit strange, guys. I will be having all these without the helmets, and I might use might use the bare heads and use the helmets for something else, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, he's pretty nice. Base is very nice as well. I'm liking that one. This is pretty, you know what, this is quite fun. So these retail at £5 each. So this for the whole box would have been what, £60, is it? Which, you know, for a bit of fun, guys, we're already paying a lot of money for plastic toy models, aren't we? Toys. So yeah, Brother Titus. So that's another different one here. Someone's just trying to give me a phone call then. So, so he's got the bolter and he's reloading the clip, which is very nice. And he's got a bald head as well, a bit like me. And he's got the sighter on his eye, and then he's just got a normal helmet there. I like that. I'm digging that, you know. Little clip on the floor as well, that would be his empty clip. So I like what they've done there. He's reloading his clip, and most often you'd probably think, well, where's his used clip? So I like that, it's pretty cool. Can't wait to paint these. Come on, we need that captain. We bloody need them. My friend came in and one of the original boxes, I think second purchase. So he bought 2. And then he came back the following week and bought another one, and he got the bloody sergeant, or the captain, whatever. Yeah, well, he's a captain, yeah, not a sergeant. And I couldn't believe it. Let's see what this is. Oh, we got our first duplicate. So, Brother Garrus. So we've already seen him. There's no need to see him again, so I'll pop that to one side. Come on, please. Please, please, please. I suppose really, if I can't flog any of these on, or if no one else wants them or trade them, then I'll probably just add them to my Blood Angels maybe. What's this? Oh no! Another Brother Gainan. So we've got our second duplicate. Gutted. We've got 4 more left, guys. Come on, please. Come on. haven't had the rocket launcher guy or nothing yet, have we? Ooh, brother Reivers. So he is the rocket launcher guy. So we've got that there. Let's have a little look at this. Put the box behind me. So base looking pretty cool. He's kneeling down. He's got the rocket that's shooting out. Oh, look at that armor there. Focus. What else have we got? That style backpack, which reloading. He's got a bit of a crew cut there and a sighter, which I think looks fantastic. Then on this head, he's got another sighter. So I'm happy with that. I can't wait to. Yeah, you know what, guys? I'm really looking forward to these. This squad is basically, with my Ultramarines, I was going to do something sort of along the lines of, you know, just include the stuff from Conquest in it at the moment. But with these coming out, I thought I'll add them to my army, and I'll probably end up getting the other characters. So this is our third to last one. What have we got? Oh no! So this is Brother Caster. This is our second one of him. We don't need to check him out. Last two now, guys. Which one should we pick? Which one should we pick? Left or right? Right, okay, then sound. Come on. I want at least a captain. Or I think we've got, so there's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're missing 5. Nah, we haven't done it, have we? I don't think we've done it. Where's the 5 in the, is the 5? And there's 10, isn't there? 2, 4, 6, 8, there's 9. 2, 4, 6, 7. So we're only missing 2. So this quite possibly could be either the captain or the sergeant. I hope it's either. Oh no, Brother Titus. Our second duplicate of him. So my mate was quite lucky then, wasn't he? In that last box, in the first box set that he opened, he was quite lucky getting that captain. Oh man. Saying as well in the back here, there's another one. ×1. Yeah, whatever. Ignore me. Now guys, it's now or never. Is this the captain that I wanted? Let me have a look. Please. Ooh, who is he? Brother Sergeant Severtus. Oh no, he's not the captain that I wanted, but he's certainly the sergeant. So, wow, my friend must have got 1 in 36 chance. So there was 12 in the box, there was 12 in that box. So that was what, 24. So 1 in 24 chance he got. Oh man, I'm gutted. I'm gutted I didn't get that. But anyway, let's have a little look at this guy. He's got the old grizzly beard. Can we see that there? Normal helmet there. Chainsword, grav pistol. Nice looking base. And yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if you want me to do another one of these unboxings with the next line that's coming out, I think it's the Blood Angels Terminators, but they haven't got all the Blood Angels iconography on it. I can do that if you want, guys. Just let us know. Series 2, that is. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. May the Emperor protect. Tra.